Alright, King's Refuge coming at you here. I'm going to be teaching you how to start a keychain lanyard, otherwise known as GIMP string. GIMP is a technical term for it. You're going to want at least 3 strings. 2 strings are going to be 40 inches, 1 string is going to be 70, and it's going to turn out about this size. So, there's a quarter. There you go. Size comparison for you. Alright. You're going to line it up like that. Make sure all your ends are about the same. So they line up. One's not longer than the other. Alright. Put 2 of them over there. 2 of them over there. One's going to be going that way. The other's going to be going this way. Alright, you see that? Huh? See that? Alright, now. Go over on that side. Make sure this guy comes over here. Alright. We're going to go ahead and do the same way. That way, we lock it in here. So our other string right here, when we go through, won't move. We need to move this aside so we can get in there. There we go. Pull that on through. And pull our strings a little bit here. Side strings to close us in there. Just keep pulling it tight till everything comes together. And, all right. We're going to stop it right there. Now, we're going to go check on our strings. We're about 90% of the way through here. See? We got a little bit on it. The smaller strings are especially important to get the same length. Now, as you can imagine, not going to be hard as necessarily. We'll take the short string here, follow it back up here, and we're going to give it just a little wee way. Oh boy. Oh wait, we want to pull from it. Sorry. Or you can just kind of pull it too, since it's not really tied down. There you go. Yep. Now let's see if our pink strings match in here. Pink string's a little off. So let's see. I don't know if that is it or... Yep. All right. That's pretty much it. You can continue from there. As you see, you'll go this way to do a straight one. And, over, under, over, under, over, under. Which will end up looking like this. Or you can do a spiral one. Which consists of, instead of starting like this, you go this way and this way. And then over, under, over, under. But if you go straight again, and let's say you go straight and then you go back to turning it again, right? this is what it would do. You see that top of the pyramid there? And that's the line that I went straight. And then I immediately started turning it again. So it turns it the other way. All right. I hope you guys learned something today. Give me that like. Send me comments. Do you like this content? I'm just throwing stuff at the wall now, really. So if you like this content, I can show you more. I was the arts and crafts guy for many a year at the camp I volunteered went, at and went to previously as a kid. So I can show you more different projects, different ideas, more of this. As you can tell, I'm quite proficient at doing these. So, do you like it? Do you like it? Tell me in the comments. Reach out to me. Come on, send me something. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this. King's Refuge out.